Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to redeem vouchers on Decathlon. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Decathlon, click the Create Account option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, Decathlon offers a diverse selection of sports and outdoor products ranging from clothing and footwear to equipment and accessories for various sports and activities. And of course, if you have like gift certificates and vouchers, it's compelling to use them for you to allow to choose from a broad array of options tailored to your interests and get discounts at affordable prices, right? Now, all you have to do is go to the specific item that you wanted. Now, for example, you wanted a backpack for now because Decathlon is known for its providing quality products, and by redeeming vouchers, of course, you can access well-designed and durable items that offer excellent value for money. I have a lot of Decathlon items in my house, and I believe if, for example, you receive Decathlon vouchers as a gift, redeeming them allows you to treat yourself to something that you have been wanting or needing. It's a great way to celebrate achievements or mark special occasions with a practical and enjoyable purchase. Now, from here, I'm going to choose the, let me check. This one for now, all right? Click on this product. And I need you to put in as much as information as you can. But of course, you need to read the item and the warranty and all of that stuff. Now, you need to click on Add to Cart. Now you can also view to cart if you wanted, and you can also simply hover to your checkout process. And again, you have earned your free shipping and go to checkout. The thing is, before you go to checkout, make sure that you have already put in all the information here, all right? So these are the available payments like ShopPay, PayPal, GPay, Venmo. And of course, you have the option for the delivery method and pickup in store. And again, just put in your information. You can't continue to shipping if you don't provide the delivery address. After that, all you have to do once you are completed the information here, you would see that there is a selection of your payment method. You can use the gift card, your credit card if you want it, and of course digital wallet. But in this case, that's going to be the gift card right here. And then from here, you only have to put in the card number, the PIN code, click on add, click on the checkout, and finish your shopping here at Decathlon using your voucher. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.